guys, welcome to my channel. How you doing today? If you've seen this outfit and this makeup and this hair before, it's because I'm shooting 3 videos in a day and I don't style my hair. And I didn't change my shirt because I don't have time. I don't have time. It's Wednesday. It's a Wednesday morning. I got work to do. Also, I kind of like the blue against the white with the pink. So in today's video, I am going to be doing my eye makeup, which is what we're going to focus on, with just my fingers. I'm not going to use any brushes for my eyeshadow. The catch here is I am obviously going to use like a pen style liner, so that's not going to be applied with my fingers, and I already did my brows before I shot the video, the eye part of the video, so I'm not going to talk about that. But yeah, the actual eyeshadow application is going to be with just my fingers. And might I just say, I am trying out looks to wear to a friend's wedding, and I feel like this one is right up there. Like, I would totally wear this eye makeup to a wedding. Do you like it? I hope you do, because if you do, let's get on with the video.
Hey guys, let's get into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and use the shade Bellini all over the moving lid. When I say moving lid, I mean the orbital bone all the way down to the lash line area, basically the entire lid space. I'm applying that all over evenly, and this is going to be the main color of our look. You may have noticed that I have a bright bold red lip on that I didn't have in the introduction, and I will not have in the outro also. That's because when I was planning this video, I thought that a bright red lip will look good. Um, but after filming, I realized it doesn't, so I decided to go with a more neutral pinky look. But you feel free to, do whatever the hell you want. That's what I'm doing right now. Next, I'm going into this beautiful shade called Cobbler. It's like a pinky brown, dusty sort of shimmery color, and I'm applying it just to the outer third of my eye. I'm applying it with my middle finger, sorry, with my ring finger because it has a smaller surface area, and I can blend in a smaller part of the eye instead of worrying about getting color everywhere where I don't want it. Next, with clean fingers, I'm picking up this beautiful shade called Luscious, and I'm applying it to the inner corner. Take notice of how I'm applying it. I close my eye and then kind of glide over my upper and lower lash line areas also, so that that lash line gets highlighted along with, of course, the innermost point of my eyelid as well. Then I'm picking up the shade called Nectar, and I'm using that to apply to my brow bone to highlight that part of my eye. It's going to bring a little bit of focus to my brows and make them look a little arched, a little shapely, and overall it's a pretty cute look. Then I'm going into the shade caramelized, and I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. I love doing this. This is a beautiful mid-tone but quite shimmery brown. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. It's beautiful, and look at how good the effect is. And mind you, this entire look has been done using exclusively shimmery shadows, so clearly it's possible. I'm tightlining my upper and lower waterlines with the Colorbar Just Smoky Kajal in just brown. And then I'm lining my upper lash line with a liquid liner. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner pen in the shade again, brown. To finish up the look, I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara. I believe this is the best waterproof mascara I've used in a very long time because it definitely holds that lift, that curl that you add to your lashes. And of course, it's Maybelline. Maybelline makes good mascaras, so I highly recommend you try it out. But yeah, I'm doing two nice coats of this mascara um, to finish off this look.
And that, you guys, is the finished look. Tell me that wasn't the easiest thing in the whole world. So I really love doing it. The other day I had run out of all my eyeshadow brushes and I just wanted to throw something on because eyeshadow makes me happy, and this kind of look really makes me happy, where it's kind of rose gold and pink and comfortable. Obviously I changed my lipstick. I did that lipstick thinking I'm going to go for like a neutral look so I can get away with like a really deep dark lip, but it made everything seem a little bit overdone. So I switched to this. This is Rose Nuance by L'Oreal. I love this lipstick. I feel like this lipstick is made for this look. I am just feeling all the feels right now. But that red lipstick would have gone really well if I was wearing like a red kurta or something. So I changed my lipstick, but apart from that, all of my makeup is done. You saw in the voiceover, you heard also what I did with my eyes. But if you want to see what I've got on my face, I got the eyebrow tutorial coming. I got the face foundation review coming. Yes, I shot that. That's the other two videos I shot. The face was done in a separate video. If it's up there, I will link it. If it's not up there, I will not link it. But I hope you liked it. Everything is listed in the description box with shade names and such. So go ahead and check that out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.